2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, clock, CD player, power windows, power door locks, security system, side airbag, power brakes, intermittent wipers, center console, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.